Good morning. I hope that you are having a good day so far. I wanted to hop on and offer any assistance that I could for the decade assignment. That is going to be one of our first things that we start with. So in case you don't know where that's at, it is going to be in Module 1. I've had several of you already start working on this and ask a few questions, so I can answer some of those here as well for everyone. So if you look right here, you're going to see the assignment that's listed here, but there's also a PDF should you want to click on that and go to the full assignment in a PDF. What we're going to do is look at the decades from Chapter 1, and we're going to offer up our own little short reflection that you'll submit to Blackboard after you create your slide. So you'll pick a decade that you wish to share, and then you'll put some of this information. So the link for the presentation is here. You click on this, and I've already opened it because sometimes my internet is a little bit slow. So here it is. It's a short, quick little presentation. This is a video that you can watch. If you keep going down, you're going to get to, I have an example right here. And you do not have to make yours look like mine. This is just how I did it. Feel free to be as creative as you'd like to be. But some other people have already posted theirs. A question that I received, can you do the same decade that someone else has done? Absolutely. As long as it does not look exactly like theirs, we'll be good to go. So you've reviewed the presentation, you've read Chapter 1. Now you're going to pick the decade that you want to do. Make sure that your name is somewhere on the slide. That's the first thing right here. Pick what you feel is the most important social and/or cultural condition. And it could be from our text, or if you have another resource that you used for the information, you can pull that in as well. What do you think is the most important fashion trend or development during that time frame that you picked? Pick one designer that you found that you liked, you thought they were interesting, their work was neat, and share that. And then at least one picture. You can absolutely have more pictures and more information, but that's just the bare minimum. You can change the color, font, and graphics of your slide, but please just make sure that you are not changing the master slide because that will mess up everyone's. So once you've shared your information in Google, then you're going to come over to Blackboard and do a quick little reflection, just a few sentences will suffice, on why you chose that decade. You'll submit your reflection to Blackboard, but you do not have to submit your Google slide anywhere other than the presentation. So just make sure that you've got your presentation and text reviewed, pick your decade to share, create your slide with your name on it, including one picture and those minimum pieces of information, and then upload that short reflection to Blackboard. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know.